The Toronto Parking Authority is an organization established in 1952 to run parking on behalf of the City of Toronto. But more recently, we've started to pivot to be more of a mobility company, focusing not only on parking, but Toronto Bike Share, and our newest launch, which is our EV product line. We see ourselves as an integral part of mobility in Toronto, moving people from place to place. How do they do that in the most sustainable way?
The phase one of our modernization of garages is to fix our garages, and then the second phase is to modernize these garages.
We were already moving forward with retrofitting and changing out our lights for conservation reasons. And the BizEnergySaver program allowed us to move faster and get better money for our budget. Through the program, we did a few upgrades, specifically around retrofitting of lighting, converting to LED and more efficient lighting. But we also looked at dimmers, ballasts, and as well as other incentives that were available through the lighting portion. So the lighting has made a great impact by providing consistent lighting. It's been reducing the maintenance costs, obviously reducing the energy costs, but overall safety is better because we've got rid of some dark spots, and the customer feedback has been great. I think not only is it a push for conservation, but at the end of the day, if you're a commercial business and looking to lower that dollar or that energy cost, this is key.
So that's why we believe in it, and that's why we've done all of these projects, and why we'll continue to explore projects that are good for our business, but also good for our community in which we live and work in.